welcome back to the channel, and this time I have come with another shopping haul. Owing to the response of my Kerala haul, I just thought why not do one more, but now we are going international. Yes, I went recently to United States for a few months, and there I got all these items for me and my family members, and I'm going to take you with each and every one and then where I got it from. So let's tune in. So I'll be dividing these videos into three parts. One is the chocolate range, of course. The second one would be clothes, what clothes I got from there. And the third one would be skincare items, gifting items, bags, and miscellaneous stuff. So stay tuned. Now let's start with the chocolates. So most of the chocolates I got from Costco because we get a wholesale rate and a larger quantity to give to your family members. But I also took some festival chocolates from Dollar Tree. So I'll tell you which ones I got from there. Starting with Hershey's and Kisses. So these both I got from Costco. The Hershey's are 145 pieces, so you can break them down for your family members and give them. These ones are 330 pieces, and I love Kisses in general. So these I got from Costco. We already broke one of the Hershey's. Then I absolutely adore Lind. So I got this one also from Costco. These are much expensive than these, but then I got this for my immediate family. Then I got a coffee, Jim Beam's coffee. I love coffee, and that's why I wanted to try these. This one is a bourbon vanilla flavor. So let's see. I'll give you a reaction video of this and how it tastes. Then of course Ferrero Rochers. Why I took this particular box is it has a pack of 3 and 12 in total. So you can gift individual 3 Ferrero Rochers to 12 of your family members. So I got these also from Costco. Then these are specific winter treats. So this one is from Trader's Joe. So I got this box and then instantly I was there in Christmas. So I instantly fell in love. It has great Christmas packing, and I got these two. Let's see who I'm going to give it to. But on the similar thing, this is like a Ferrero Rocher, but it has a crunchy milk chocolate hazelnut pralines, and this also is from Trader's Joe. It has great packing. It speaks and screams Christmas. So I just got it when I saw this on Trader's Joe. Then I got Godiva. So I love dark chocolates. And then Godiva's dark chocolates, the ganache heart. This one I wanted to try. So I just took it because I wanted to try. This is also from Costco. Then I got these almond dark chocolate coated almonds from Trader's Joe. This one again was a Christmas clearance sale, and then I thought that it would be a good addition to my family gifting because everyone around in my family loves to eat almonds, so why not with chocolate, you know? Okay, now towards the last chocolate. So this one I found in Dollar Tree. I love the packaging of this because then you don't have to hassle on to making individual packets from your Hershey's or Lind or Ferrero Rocher. This packet itself you can just directly gift. So I got 2 of these, one in dark and another is a milk chocolate. So these are good gifting items. These have 6 pieces individually, and of course it's truffles, so I think it should be good. Part of this video, the snacks. So I've randomly picked random snacks from Costco. I do not know how they taste, but we're going to do a reaction video with my brother and my sister-in-law, so stay tuned for that. What all we'll be tasting is, this is mochi, this is Thai bird sriracha. I don't know what this is, but let's see in that reaction video. Then we have pretzels. These are dark chocolate coated pretzels. So I'm interested to see how this tastes. Then we have hot buffalo wings, sourdough hard pretzels. So I wanted to have something in buffalo wings sauce because it's very hot and spicy. So I wanted to taste these. So that's also going to come in the reaction. Now the last snack which I took is these tortilla chips. I actually wanted some base for the dipping which I got from Trader's Joe. So this is cheddar sharp cheese pickled with bell peppers, and then we are going to try these with the crackers. The last two things of the haul are A, the lemon squeezer. So this one is just a concentrated lemon which I got for my mother to use in the cooking. And the last two things are almonds. So California almonds are famous in United States. This I got from Costco. I think it's a good range and the quality also is good. But let's try and then I'll let you know how good they are versus what we have in India. I also got some sea salt cashews along with that. So now that ends my first haul. So stay tuned for the next two where I show the clothes I got from US and the skincare. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.